anticipated. And now he's just about ready to start lap number 1 at top speed.
miles per hour, 156.910, and that moves Deacon Plumbing into the third position on the qualifying ladder.
As we said earlier today, if you've just joined us, qualifying speeds will be awarded points for the smooth roll runs at the Mixon backstretch. Looks just like they did on the Columbia River about a month ago, as they were doing some spring training testing. Both looked very smooth, but points awarded in qualifying, very important. The space between first and second championship teams.
Just a touch faster, 157.287. The last lap was 150.
I never thought I'd be happy with a second place, but today I am real happy with a second place. And I'm so proud of our crew for getting that boat back together and making it into the final. And extremely proud of our driver, Jean Theoret. To me, he's the absolute best. I love him.
First of all, I want to thank Doc because after crashing here and to be up here in this podium and finishing second, it's a tribute to him and to this team who worked so hard, and to Beacon Plumbing, who's our major sponsor, and to Billy and Jane, for giving me the opportunity to drive again this year. And I know it's a real blessing that with all these crashes we had today, nobody got hurt. So praise the Lord. Thanks for everything.